Hey everybody, it's Rick Jorgenson here. I wanted to take you through and show you step 2 of getting your fan page, your Massive Travel Profits fan page, live on Facebook. Now, this is assuming that you've already gone through our first video that you'll find here on the fan page creation library page on the Massive Travel Profits team site. Make sure you watch this video first and make sure that you go through these steps to get it set up properly. Also, the other side of this, or other piece of this, is if you scroll down here, you'll see this section called Application Add-Ons. Make sure you, after you've done the steps in video 1, make sure you go and get this set up, the Application Add-Ons, to your page, because that's really, we're going to start at that point. So let's go on over, and I'm going to show you a page that I have set up just for testing purposes. Okay, so here it is, Rick Jorgenson Massive Travel Profits, which is obviously the wrong way to set up the name on your page. It should be Massive Travel Profits with your name, but again, this is just for test purposes. So I've gone ahead, and obviously this is now published. Make sure you publish your page, okay? It will ask you, Facebook will ask you when you go in to set your page up, do you want to publish it, and go ahead and get it published. Doesn't mean that anybody will see it at that point, but go ahead and get it published. So over here on the left hand side, there's a couple of areas here I want you to pay attention to. One is, this is your sidebar area. You'll see when you put your cursor over it, it'll come up with a change picture. And then also, if you have set it up properly prior to this video, the applications, you're going to see an application called Our Site and an application called Travel Deals. But the first thing you want to do is go ahead and load the sidebar. You're going to find the sidebar, what you could load as a sidebar. There's two ways to be able to do this, to get this started before your social outbreak application kicks in. We'll create a sidebar for you if we haven't done so already, or you can also use the Massive Travel Profits logo. And again, the Massive Travel Profits logos you will find on that fan page creation library section that I just showed you prior to jumping over here. You'll find all of those logos in a file, so you can get to those, put those on your desktop. So the first thing you want to do to change this sidebar is go in and click Change Picture, and that will bring up a section here in your fan page that will allow you to do that. Okay, so once you're over here, then you're going to click on Choose File so that you can get to your sidebar or the Massive Travel Profits logo, wherever you have placed that on your desktop or in your system, in your Documents folder, wherever that was saved to. That's where you want to get to at this point. Okay, so here we are. I found my sidebar image that I want to put in, so let's go ahead and double click on that, which will bring it into Facebook for us. And there we go there. You can see that it's placed it there, and there we are. So it's as simple as that. So if we go over to view our page up here, it will bring us back to our page, and you'll see that that sidebar has been conveniently placed for us right exactly where we want it. You could have also chosen the Massive Travel Profits logo as well to place there for the time being, but this will take us right on back. Okay, so as you can see, there it is on the left hand side, exactly where we want it. Okay, so now that we've done that, what we want to be able to do now is go in and set up our Site. This Our Site link, we want to set that as our default landing page, and we want to change the name. So we're going to come up here and click our Edit Page button at the top of your page. So let's click Edit Page. And what we want to do is we want to come over here, and first thing we want to do is go over and click on Apps over here on the left hand side. Click on Apps, because we're going to change the name of that first. So we come over here, and you'll find it right here. It'll say MTP Site. And what we want to do is Edit Settings. So click on Edit Settings, and you want to change the name of the tab. You want to change it to Welcome. Okay? So we want to change it to Welcome. Click Save, and then click OK. Alright, now that we've done that, let's go on back and let's click on Manage Permissions. So click on Manage Permissions. And your default landing tab here, you want to set then as Welcome. Set your default landing tab as Welcome. Okay, so when people first visit your page, they're going to land on that Welcome page, which is exactly where you want them to land, because it's going to instruct them to click your like button, and it also has all the information about the program. So make sure you set that default landing page to Welcome. And once that's set, your page is ready to go at that point, ready to start promoting it, ready for us, if you're in the co-op, to start sending traffic to it, etc. So that's basically it, folks. That's what I wanted to walk you through. You now have a page that you can go ahead and publish and get out there and start promoting. So thanks much, and look forward to your success.